Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford Fusion key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, as you'll need them for the programming sequence. Make sure your car battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. Then, get into the driver's seat, close all doors, and ensure they are unlocked. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for your Ford Fusion. Now, let's get your Ford Fusion into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition. Quickly turn the key from the on position to off 8 times. You must complete this sequence within 10 seconds. You'll know you've successfully entered programming mode when your car's door locks cycle, meaning they lock and then unlock automatically. This indicates the vehicle is ready to learn new key fobs. With your Ford Fusion in programming mode, it's time to program your key fobs. For each new key fob, press any button on it within 10 seconds of the door lock cycling. The door locks will cycle again, confirming that the key fob has been successfully programmed. Remember to repeat this step for all additional key fobs you wish to use, including any existing ones, to ensure they all work correctly. To exit programming mode and finalize the process, simply turn the ignition key to the off position. Then, remove the key from the ignition. This action signals to your Ford Fusion that you are finished programming. Finally, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they all function correctly, locking and unlocking your doors as expected. Congratulations, you've programmed your key fobs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.